Hello and welcome to Fulda. This is the stand, don't stand's the right word, this is the exhibition of Autoable Service, a company which is from here. They've brought 55 motorhomes with them. This company sells Trigano, they also have Volkswagen. One of the Trigano brands is Forster, and this is the 659 EB or T659 EB. This will cost €70,000. It is 659 centimeters long, 235 wide, and has a height of 295 centimeters. And so, one thing about Forster is it has very bright vehicles, very clean. I don't know if that's the right word or not, but it's clean lines. I think it's the lighting, or maybe it's the way they do things, or maybe it's my eyesight. Who knows what it is? Anyway, so it's got these positive features about it. And so storage here, down there, that's the boiler. You can tell there's some ventilation. And steps up to the bed. And in this one, there's some storage. This is a German layout, and we can put this in here. Oh, this will make a bed if I can do this with one. Yeah, that was clever, and I did that with one hand. Look at that. I'll have a round of applause now, please, for that one-handed trick, putting that bit in there like that. There's a ladder somewhere which will take you into the bed. Got storage at the back. And I'm not going to open the storage doors up, because after that great effort in putting this in, let's see, just check that this is not going to fall for the next one. I don't want somebody to come in this thing to collapse on them. No, that's okay. Great. So, good job there. Skylight up there. In here we have got a spacious washroom. And there we have mirror and the toilets. And here, right, so come to the kitchen. There we've got a big tower fridge from Thetford with a thing at the bottom for bottles. It comes with, now this is a bit unusual, isn't it? So I've got this one to put to one side. Okay, it fits in. I don't think that's a problem. And there's the sink, got a lot of big storage up here. And we've got storage below as well. Yeah, I'll open this one as well, just to make the point. There you go. Point made. Now, here we've got a huge table. A huge table for a van of this size, that is. I mean, it's not a huge table if you're thinking of having a major banquet, but it's a huge table for a van of this size. Above it, we've got this bed, and the bed comes down by pressing this, but I suspect it has been disconnected. It hasn't been disconnected. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you it coming down. So that's the maximum point which it'll come down to. As you can see, single bed. And oh, you're worried about falling out? No need to be, because under here we've got some nets. And the nets will fit in, so hold on to the ring up there. As you can see, there's still, well, maybe not much room, but you can walk under it. So that wouldn't be a problem. You could, with the chairs turned round up front, you could still, I suppose, sit round there if some of you were in bed. Of course, it makes more manners to go to bed yourself when other people are. So we've got a ringlet here to hold the net up. See a ringlet over there. There's one over there. There's one down there. And finally, there is one up here. A good thing about sleeping in this bed is that you've got the temperature control thing here, and you can turn on the heating, you can turn on the water, and the Truma Combi. Right, you want to see this going back up again? I shall hold it back here, press the button. so much easier than those beds that have a key. Now, what's the standing height under here? Well, we'll just turn around. I'll show you. There's me standing under here, so you can see there's a fair bit of space under here. So I'm 175, so that'd be what, about 190 before you start hitting the bed. Let's have a quick look at the costings on this one here. So you got there nearly 70,000. Is that okay? And it's a base price 62,600. And so the comfort line, the bed and the roof is 1,200. The comfort line RM. So that's some extras, which unfortunately is not explained what it is, but it costs 4,000. And the habitation battery 600, which is extra. I don't know why they was put that as an extra, because you can't really manage without the battery, in my opinion. So it's delivery and paperwork, and all the rest of it is the rest. So that delivery and paperwork, you'd need that anyway. So 140 horsepower engine, which normally they haven't actually charged for that, whereas because normally it comes here 120 horsepower, 2.3 litre, 89 kW. You can even put as much as a 4.4 ton basis, although you can go 3,500 kilos or 3,650 or 4,250 kilos as well. There you go, Fiat Ducato. This is a 6-speed manual. Good. Yeah, I'll open this. So we'll have a look around the outside. In the door there is an integrated mosquito net. And you can see there is the guide rail or guide for it down there. The garage is quite large. The garage is closed, can't get it open, but you can see from here the size of it. Quite large again, and windows. So that is the Forster 659 T659 from Forster, and thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, and so if you're watching this at 21:15, then tomorrow at 21:15 there'll be another video, or if you're not watching it tonight at 21:15, whatever day tonight may be, there will be a video with a motorhome or a camper van, or maybe somewhere I've been to in my vehicle, like a campsite or something. Thanks for being here.